This is a plane. Let's start flying the plane. Aircraft engines have been turned on. This is Air Bomber Flight 1. You are cleared for takeoff. This is a message from San Diego Air Base. You have landed. Come. The landing gear is not working. The landing gear is not working. The landing gear is not working. You have done an emergency landing. Now it's time to repair your gear. The next day, we are currently in the middle of World War II. We need you to take off and fly and start bombing the Iran people. Okay. Missile. What engine has been lost? What engine has been lost? But we still have the bombs. The Iran military base has been destroyed. Now you're gonna head back to your destination. The second engine rolled out. We are now a glider. We are now a glider. I repeat, we are now a glider. You have safely landed. This was the cause of the second engine to blow out. Bird strike. Now it's time to repair the aircraft. The aircraft works well. It's time for the aircraft to go on its final flight. Belly strike, belly strike. That's nothing. It's just a little bump. I'll fix it, says the pilot. Boom! Boom! What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Our plane is blowing up. Our plane is blowing up. What is going on? What? The Iranians wanted to get revenge, says the ATC. Oh, no. But then, did they mean this type of revenge? Says the pilot. Yes, says the ATC. We need to keep the plane steady for as long as possible. Now after I repair this plane, I'm going to do an interior review about the plane. Plane being fixed. Loading 50%. Fixed 50%. Fixed 75%. Fixed 100%. Fixed. Landing gears. Well, so I basically rubber banded all of the landing gears to connect to the wing, which was powered by this rubber band that connected to the motor, which basically powered the wheels, the wings, and the propellers. And the front wheel is just for decoration and climbing through the rocks, because the front wheel is aligned with slightly aligned with the back wheels. This is just to make the back wheel spin so that the vehicle can spin. Now it's time for the secret room review. This is a picture of the secret room. It's basically a meeting room with a table and 4 people. Planning out their attack on Iran and Afghanistan. Now it's time to review the propellers. I added holes so crosswinds wouldn't stop the propellers from shifting to the right, and crosswinds coming up wouldn't make the plane fly straight up. Final review of them all: the tail and the body. I chose this type of body because if I didn't put the brain here, the propellers would just start banging across the floor. So then I chose, and I also put the tail for aerodynamics. But guys, better make sure you like and subscribe right now. Bye.